हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल और मैं हूं अर्चना एंड टुडेस टॉपिक इज एंगल्स. हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट एन एंगल ऑफ गिवन मेजरमेंट यूजिंग protractor by following just simple 4 steps. At the end of the video, I am also going to give you tips how can you construct a reflex angle without any mistake. वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. Now friends, you must be knowing to measure the angle or to construct an angle of given measure, we need a special instrument called protractor. Friends, this is a protractor. You can see this straight slipping line. This is called base of the protractor. This is the center of the protractor. And you can see there are two scales here, outer scale and inner scale. You can see outer scale starts from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100 and so on. It goes till 180. And the inner scale starts from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and it goes till 180. Let us construct an angle of 30 degree. So let us construct a ray first. You have taken ray like this. Now this is the point of origin of the ray. Let us name this as point O. This is point A. Now we want to construct an angle at O. So we will follow the 4 steps. For constructing an angle, always follow these 4 steps. The first step is to match. You can see the center of the protractor. Okay, match this center with this O where you want your angle to form. So we have matched this. Okay. The second step is to match this baseline of the protractor with this ray that you have drawn. Once done, third step is to select the scale. Now, how will you select the scale? You have to see this ray is matching the baseline, and on this baseline you will see there is 0 and 180. So, we will select the scale which has 0 on it. Here you can see 0 is in the inner scale. Outer scale is 180. So, which scale we will select? We will select the scale which has 0 on it. So it is inner scale. So you count 0, 10, 20, 30. You want to make an angle of 30 degree. So here is a 30. So you put a dot here. Okay. Now you have a dot and O. Match this dot and O. And make another ray. You can name this point as say B. So the angle AOB or BOA is your required angle of 30 degree. So you can write down measure angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, or you can also write measure angle BOA is equal to 30 degree. Friends, you know you can name an angle either by BOA or AOB. When I use my inner scale, my angle opening is on the right side. Same way I am going to draw the same angle of 30, measure 30 degree. Opening is toward the left hand side. This was the example of acute angle. Now I will demonstrate how to construct an angle which is an obtuse angle. Obtuse means more than 90 degree. The steps remain same. First we draw ray. Say, let me write C and D. Okay, C is my origin, or we can say the vertex where I want my angle to form. Okay, now we take our protractor. What is the first step? First step is to match the center of the protractor with C. Second step is to match the baseline with this ray CD. And now we want to construct angle of 120. So first we select, the third step is to select the scale. Now check the scale. Inner scale says 180 and the outer scale says 0. So which scale we will follow? Yes, outer scale. So we want to go till 120. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Friends, as we are doing for obtuse angle triangle, you know your angle should be more than 90. So here we have reached 90. This is 100, 110 and 120. So put a dot here. Now remove your scale here. Let the name of this dot be E. Now we draw a ray CE. So this is your required angle of 120 degree. And here major angle, you can observe that the angle is more than 90. ECD equals to 120 degree. This semicircle protractor runs from 0 to 180 and the full scale will be 360 degree. As it is complete circle, it shows an angle of 360 degree. Okay, now suppose you don't have that scale, you are having this scale. How will you construct an angle which is a reflex angle? You know, reflex angle measures more than 180 degree. So let us see the example of a reflex angle. Now we will see how to construct a reflex angle. Friends, before I start how to draw a reflex angle, I want to show you how it looks like. I have taken one of the example. Construct an angle of 280 degree. Now 280 degree is more than 180. So this is a reflex angle. You can see here the reflex angle looks like this. You can see here angle POQ is the reflex angle. You can see this circle, the bigger circle. This is your reflex angle. You know that the complete angle is 360, right? And you know the complete angle is 360 degree. From here to here it is 280. And if I add this, it becomes, if I add this portion, that is angle A, this will become 360, a complete circle, right? So this is the key. When you are making a reflex angle, you need to find this angle A. So this is the key. You need to find this angle A. How can we do that? We will know that entire circle is 360. To make an angle which measures 280 degree, we need to take the complete circle, okay, and we will remove this 280 to get this A. Okay, so we write A is equal to, if you want to find out A is equal to 360 minus 280 degree, and that comes out to be 80 degree. So now friends, you can easily make angle A, which is 80 degree, using this normal protractor that you have. So now friends, we are constructing an angle of 280 degree, which is a reflex angle. Reflex angle, here we have taken an example, say 280. Let us construct now angle. as I explained earlier, we find an angle A which is not required, right? Which we are going to remove. So we have A is equal to 360 degree minus, what is this? 280. So when we subtract 280 degree, what do we get is 80 degree. So we will construct, actually to construct 280 degree, we will construct an angle A which is not required. So let us see. First we draw a ray. Say this is O, this is A, okay, and now we draw an angle of 80 degree. So match the center of protractor, match the baseline of the protractor, select the scale which is inner scale here 0 and go till 80. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Here it is 80, so I put a dot here. Now let us join this point, say B and O. When we join this point O and B, we get this A. This is 80 degree, which is A. Now friends, if this is 80, so the rest of this will be your required measure, that is 280 degree, and this is a reflex angle. Therefore, measure angle AOB is 280 degree. I hope you have understood this. Similarly, you can construct any angle which is more than 180 by simply calculating first angle A which is not required. Okay. Thanks for watching.